y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Demiya if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this quick and easy flexi rod set using only 18 flexi rods. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. Alright, so I just washed my hair with this Shea Butter Peppermint shampoo from Complex Petals. I'm about to go ahead and moisturize my hair with this leave-in conditioner and this oil. I was kind of skeptical about putting this leave-in in because I was watching other people's videos and all they did was use mousse. So hopefully the products work well together. It's like a quarter size amount. I feel like I put a lot of product in this. Hold on, y'all. Either too much water, too much product. I'm gonna be using the purple flexi rods. I don't know what size this is. This is like almost an inch, but the purple ones. And it's gonna be 4 of them for each section. So I'm gonna have 16 flexi rods total. I don't know how much it needs, so I'm just gonna do 2 pumps for now. 2 pumps is enough for 2 sections, so I guess 1 pump for each section. I gotta split this in half still. Or maybe it might need to be slicker than this. So 2 pumps for each section, not 1.
All right, so you want to start by brushing out your hair so it's nice and smooth to go onto the flexi rod. Then tuck the end of your hair into your hair, if that makes sense. Tuck the end of your hair and then roll on top of it so you can secure it. And then once you do that, you want to make sure you pull your hair and the flexi rod real tight. So like you get a nice curl. You don't want it to be loose because it's going to come out. So make sure you're rolling tight and roll your hair up the flexi rod more. I feel like I rolled my hair on top of my hair, so the curl didn't come out as good as I wanted it to. But if I had spread out my hair more along the flexi rod, it would have been a better spiral. So yeah, my roots ended up coming out really puffy, but if you spread out your hair more and do it tighter, the curl will come out way better.
I feel like they'll get better as I keep going, and I'll just do them over if I have to. when you're doing this, put a lot of tension, like pull your hair. Don't just wrap it up, because it's not gonna be a good curl. I gotta do these opposite. Yeah, I gotta do these the opposite way, or else all my curls gonna be in. So all my curls gonna be in the same direction. So flip this to the outside. I really don't know how I'm gonna sleep, honestly. Oh, I feel like a fool. I should have sealed the ends with gel. So yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. I'll come back in the morning and show y'all. Hopefully this turns out right. This is my first time doing the Flexi rod set on my hair. Well, on my hair while it's wet. And I haven't done a Flexi rod set in years, probably since I was like a preteen, honestly. I've probably done it on weave, but not on my real hair. So yeah, this should be interesting. Hopefully it turns out good, because it's gonna be my new hairstyle. All right, so as y'all can see, this was so uncomfortable to sleep in, and some of them unraveled a little bit. Not like fully came off, but definitely unraveled. Ugh. Next time I do it, I would probably do it during the daytime and then just sleep and sit under the dryer, because it's too uncomfortable to sleep in. I'm scared. I'm even more scared because I got somewhere to be. But we gonna see. Well, that one came out pretty, but it's sticking up. Look crazy. I'm gonna start separating them. I just noticed hair not still wet after being in this thing for over 20 hours. Maybe I just did my sections too big or my hair too thick. I don't know. It's kind of cute. Closer so y'all can see. See what the back look like.
So I would definitely roll them at the back of my head, if that makes sense, because when I try to pull them to the side, it doesn't get my roots as good.
I'm using Style Factor Edge Booster. I don't know what's going on with this 12, but it needs to get it together before I take it back to the store. So I don't got time. My phone just decided it wanted to power off. For whatever reason, it's not even dead. And turn right back on. Like, what? Overall, I like it. How do y'all like it? I like it. I feel childish, but also cute. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and it was useful or helpful, I should say. So yeah, if you guys want to see any other hair videos from me, just let me know down below. I'll be sure to get to them.